Welcome back all to this one. Welcome back. So yes, this is the last scene. So we just want to continue from last scene again. Click on that. Okay, continue last scene. And now this is the final lab. So we want to get rid of everything here again. So like I did, press down your left mouse click button and you drag your mouse to this end so you can get everything in frame, and just press delete on your keyboard and that should get rid of that. So now again we are going to go through. Okay, as you can see there was nothing here, so let's see what it says. Preview. Or for businesses and for personal use, then make sure you enroll in this course right now. I will see you inside. Okay, so I think we're still gonna have one more thing, so let's just put this here. We're going to break that down by splitting it again. Right click and split. Okay, so now it's for business, right? So we're going to bring in David again. Okay, so we're going to bring in David character. All right, going to bring in David again. This time I want him sitting. Okay, to bar. Okay, I want him sitting. Let's see. So I'll apply this. Okay, and I'll just take that here. Once again, I'll make him talk. Click on the voiceover tab, settings. Once again, add in David, that scene. Okay, right? Now we have David in that scene. Okay, so now we just add for business, for personal use. We'll do business white. First of all, change the colors, don't forget. So let's use the color from that. Okay, right, so let's use that color this time. We'll do Ctrl A to select all. We'll do sorry, I messed up. Let me just pause this and back. Yes guys, so I'm back. Sorry about that delay. Really sorry about that. So the business. Okay. So for business, now that we have that, I'll put that just to the side and do business. Okay. And do for business. We can add camera scenes to this one. For business, I want to hear what it's saying so that I can go from there. Or for businesses and for personal use, then make sure you enroll in this course right now. Okay, for business personal use, Okay, so I will just go through and just put a pop on this one. Sorry about that. Just put in some pop, enter effect, I'll just do some pop, it rings. Okay, so now I want to add something new to this, which is the camera. Okay, so I'm going to add camera. So the camera will start from here. So camera will start from David. Okay, and I'll add where it's going to go. We want to make it come directly to business. Okay, so now if we preview that, we'll get something like this. Let me show you what we're going to be getting. Or for businesses and for personal use, then make sure you enroll in this course right now. Okay, so that's it. Or as you can see, what we notice is the voiceover is faster, so that particular one would not work. Okay, camera won't work, so we can get rid of camera. Can get rid of camera because obvious camera won't work for us on this scene, so we just get rid of camera. We won't use it on this scene. We'll just do for business. Okay, personal use, so I'll copy this, Ctrl V to paste. Right, so we have personal use. So I'll just highlight that. Okay, Ctrl A, personal. Okay, and now I would want to change that color. Okay, want to change that colors to, I want an higher looking color. Yes, vibrant color for business or personal use. Okay, so now we can now go over. So now this one, I want it to appear here, and then I'll go over to characters again and bring in business friendly characters. Okay, okay, office, let me see office. Office is looking too simple, but I can just bring in this character and put him just in at the top, make him smaller. Okay, so now you have him standing just at the top of business. I want him to start at the top of the E, like so. So I'll do entrance for him. Action first of all. Walk. Okay, so I'll use this for him. Okay, so now you see you have him there for business. Okay, and the entrance scene, You want him to appear. Okay. Want him to want them to slide him in. So and slide from left to right. Okay. So I want him to just appear just when the business is going in. So I'll reduce this business intro to be somewhere there. Okay. And this personal, and we move out a bit. Okay, like that. Okay, so now we have that. Then for this personal, I want to put a casual character. So I'll click back on this dot. You can go through and just use this like the way it is. I'm going to use a whiteboard for this one and use a casual character. Let me just use holiday and style. Okay. Once you don't find characters that suit your need, you can just go over and just, yeah, let me see other personal, professional. No, not, I want a casual character because I want to put that on top of, the personal text. I need a lady this time. Okay. All right, so we have a lady this time. I'll just put her at the top of personal. Okay. Action. At a music. Let me check out a music. Okay, let's make her play some guitars, right? Let's see if she plays this one, how it's gonna look. Okay, so we're gonna apply this for her. Okay, as you can see, personal use. Okay, so now we'll move this to match the personal. Okay, so this is what we're doing. You can see I want these two to enter just after the other. I want the business and the man to enter just after the other, and that was how I placed them. And now if I go to preview them, just watch how creative and how back to life this thing has become. Okay, with David talking. So we just need to wait for it to load up and we'll get what we want. Trying to process it because there are plenty moving parts in this particular scene, so we'll just wait for it. Let's see how long it takes to get this working. This is the only delay when you add plenty graphics to a scene. But for businesses and for personal use, then make sure you enroll in this course right now. Okay, you can see how easy it is. So we can add enroll now under. Okay, can add enroll now or just leave it the way it is, or just quickly add enroll text, quick text. Yeah, in the color, right? Let's see if red is gonna work for this part. Okay, I'm just trying to move it down. Row. Okay, So it's up to you the way you want it to come out or you want it to look. So you can just do that like so. The color is looking to into, yes, I think that red is better. So now I want to do the entrance scene and I want that to just, I want it to pop. Okay, pop with rings. Okay, so now that the enroll has showed up, since we've given it an entrance effect, we just want it to come in here. Let's preview it one more time. Quite easy, quite simple. You just need to be a little bit creative with what for businesses and for personal use. Then make sure you enroll in this course right now. You can see how easy it is to create this. So we are done with this scene. Now we're going to move on to the last scene, and I'll show you how to do that and we'll wrap it up. Okay, so let's do that.